Shocking case studies. These are some of the companies and individuals that have made it big with Amazon. These are the success stories that serve as examples, so you can see how hard work can have amazing results. ExportX. ExportX is a company that specializes in the introduction of novel products into untested markets to facilitate exports between customers in a more globalized market. The objective of the company was to use innovation to provide certain types of merchandise to people in countries where such goods would not be available otherwise. The company used the sponsored products feature in the Amazon Marketplace to position locally produced products in foreign marketplaces, such as in the UK, Canada, and Germany. Results. The company is currently running 90 successful sponsored product campaigns around the world, with 25% of sales from those sponsored offers made in international markets. 6 Waves. 6 Waves is an internationally recognized brand in the social gaming sphere. It is mainly a developer and publisher known in the Facebook platform. 6 Waves wanted to change the way they were managing their services. They were once limited to physical servers, which brought in a lot of constraints to the way they operated. 6 Waves migrated to Amazon Web Services to take advantage of the technology that the services built its reputation upon, mainly elastic load balancing and security groups to control access. Results. The company says that things are totally different now. They can easily pull data from the Amazon servers by simply customizing their own server image. They don't have to worry about migration and updating issues, and all of this means that their business has reached a scale not possible for them before. Muddy Puddles. Muddy Puddles is an online retailer based in the UK that sells outerwear designed for children. They specialize in outerwear that protects kids from harsh environmental conditions, such as cold and rain. The company's objective was centered on decreasing the number of customers leaving the checkout process without completing their purchases. Strategy. They implemented Pay with Amazon to allow customers to purchase from their e-commerce store using their Amazon credentials to facilitate checkout. Results. Muddy Puddles saw its drop-off rate decrease by 40% when they integrated Pay with Amazon in their storefront. This also increased conversion rates by 15% and annual revenue by 5.8%. Axiom. Axiom is a U.S.-based company that works with marketing and business data analysis. It processes over 30 million data records each month. Axiom's objective was to reduce the number of accuracy discrepancies caused by its optical character recognition system by outsourcing manual transcription of records to skilled human workers. Axiom leveraged a task force comprised of 125 human workers in the Amazon Mechanical Turk platform, ensuring at the same time the quality of the output through an automated process. Results. The company saw a 50% reduction of costs on verification only, which incidentally also helped to cut on transportation costs. Aboff. Aboff is an Indian e-commerce venture founded in 2014. They are the leading provider of footwear, clothing, and accessories for women and men in India, and they are using the Amazon.com infrastructure to distribute their merchandise across 500 cities in India. The company established that the way to run their business was not through physical servers, which could slow down their operation. The company chose to use Amazon Web Services to host its online storefront because of the optimization promised by the cloud and the array of services put at their disposal. Results. Thanks to the platform's fast load times of up to 1.5 seconds per page, Aboff saw a surge in sales through its online channel that registered a whopping $14.8 million annual gross merchandise value in its first 90 days after launch, with a cool 20% in repeating purchases from repeating customers in the same period.